Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is something many of you have been asking for. Why are people unable to speak in English? Have you ever felt like this? You know a lot of words in English. You even understand when someone else speaks English. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes completely blank. Or maybe you start speaking, but then you get stuck, forget words, or feel nervous. Don't worry, you are not one alone. Millions of people face this same problem. And today, I'm going to break this down in simple and easy to understand points. I'll also tell you how you can overcome this challenge. So let's begin. Number one, the fear of making mistakes. One of the biggest reasons why people cannot speak English confidently is because of fear. We feel scared of making mistakes. What if someone laughs at me? What if I use a wrong word? And what if I pronounce it incorrectly? And because of this fear, we cannot even try to speak. But here's the truth. Making mistakes is a part of learning, isn't it? Think about how a baby learns to speak. Do babies worry about grammar? No, right? They just speak, make mistakes, and slowly get better. So remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are your best teachers. Number two is lack of practice. Many people understand English but cannot speak it. Why? Because they have never practiced speaking. It is like learning how to swim by reading books about swimming. You might know everything about water, swimming strokes, technique, or maybe something different. But until you jump into the water, you'll never learn to swim. English is exactly the same. You cannot learn by watching movies or reading books. You must open your mouth and start speaking. Even if it's with yourself in front of a mirror, or with a friend, or with your family, just practice. Start with small sentences, even broken sentences. Slowly you will build the fluency. Number three is thinking in your native language first. Another common reason is the most people think in their native language first and then they try to translate in English before they speak. For example, मुझे बाजार जाना है. Now you try to translate. I have to go to market. And that's why speaking becomes slow and then broken and maybe confusing. Solution? Start training your brain or a mind to think in English, even about small things. Instead of thinking, मुझे पानी पीना है, try thinking, I want to drink water. Do this regularly, and slowly your brain will stop translating and start speaking naturally. Number four is vocabulary problem. Sometimes people get stuck. Why? Because they don't know the right word. It happens to everyone. Even native English speakers sometimes forget words. But here's a secret. You don't need to know all the words to speak English. Learn the common, everyday words first. Use simple sentences like, I need help. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. And when you don't know a word, explain it using other words. For example, if you don't know the word ceiling fan, you can say the fan on the roof. Over time, keep learning new words, but don't stop speaking just because you don't know one word. Number five, not listening enough. Many people focus on grammar, books, vocabulary lists, but they don't listen to the real English conversation. Listening is very, very, very important. Why? Because your brain needs to hear the language again and again to get comfortable with it. Think about how you learn your first language. You listen to your parents, your families, your friends, right? All the time. And that's how you learned it. So, watch English shows, listen to podcasts these days, or even YouTube videos like this one. And the more you listen, the more familiar English will sound to you, and the easier you'll be able to speak. Number 6 is lack of confidence. Sometimes you do not Sometimes you do know English. You do know words, you understand grammar, but you still cannot speak. Why? Because of the confidence. Many of us feel like, what will people think about me? They laugh at me, at my accent. My English is not that good. But let me tell you something important. No one is perfect. Even people who speak English from birth make mistakes. Do you agree that? So stop worrying about being perfect. Just speak. Confidence comes after you speak, not before. The more you speak, the stronger your confidence becomes. Number 7 is grammar obsession. Another big mistake many learners make is that they focus too much on grammar while speaking. And I truly believe is grammar is really important, but it should not stop you from expressing yourself. For example, if you say, he don't like it, is it grammatically wrong? Yes. But does the listener understand you? Also, yes, right? Don't stop your conversation just to remember grammar rules. Speak first and then improve later. As you speak more, the grammar will automatically start improving. No speaking environment. Number 8. Many learners say, I do not have anyone to practice with. That's true for many of us, especially if we live in an environment or a place where English is not commonly spoken. But here's the good news. You can create your own English environment. Talk to yourself in English. Record your voice while speaking. Join English speaking groups online. Watch English videos with subtitles. Try speaking English with friends who are also learner. In today's world, you do not have to live in an English-speaking country to learn. The whole internet is your classroom. Number 9 is overthinking. Some people get nervous because they overthink. Am I saying it right? Is my pronunciation correct? What if I sound stupid? This overthinking blocks your natural flow of speaking. Here's my advice. Just focus on expressing your ideas. And your goals is not to impress others with big words. Your goal is to communicate. If people understand you, that's success. Number 10. Lack of consistency. Very, very important. Another problem is inconsistency. Many people start learning English, feel motivated for a few days, and then they stop. Maybe they feel it's not working enough for me or fast for me. But here's the truth. Speaking English is like going to the gym. If you go to gym for 3 days and expect to become strong, it won't happen, right? If you go regularly for 3 months, you'll definitely see results. You'll see the difference. Similarly, practice speaking English every day, every single day. Even 10 minutes daily is better than nothing. So now, that you know why people cannot speak English, let's quickly discuss what you should do to improve. Start small. Begin with simple sentences. Don't try to speak advanced English on day one. Think in English. Make it your habit. And listen to movies, YouTube podcasts. Choose what you enjoy. Find a speaking partner, even online. Or there are multiple apps, right, and websites and group of learners. Stay consistent and practice daily. Use simple words. English is not about big words, it's about communication. And celebrate progress. Even small achievements count. Remember, speaking English is not a talent, it's a skill. And like any skills, the more you practice, the better you become. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't wait for perfect time. Start today. Start now. Even if you are speaking broken English, you're already one step ahead of people who never try. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple practical English sessions.